Hello, my name is Emma from LB Real Estate Property Management. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use the RentRedi application and software. RentRedi is our primary landlord/tenant software we like to use, which simplifies rent payments and collections. The setup process is very easy and should take you no longer than 5 minutes to set up. Without further ado, let's get started. In order for you to start using the RentRedi app, you first need to accept the invitation from your landlord. The invitation can only be sent via email, so make sure you give one of our property managers your email for the invitation. The email should read, RentRedi, your landlord has invited you to join RentRedi. Open the email and scroll down to download the app via the App Store or Google Play Store. Download the app. When the download is completed, open the app. Tap on Get Started. Enter your email and create your password. Make sure your password contains at least one number and one special character. Then tap on Sign Up. Tap on the following screen to continue. Next, you should see a pop-up with our email adding you as a tenant. Click on Accept. Success! Now, click on OK. You will then be brought to your main dashboard. When you click on Rent, you will be able to see all of your monthly rental payments. From here, you can choose to set up autopay. When you see the welcome pop-up on the screen, the first thing you need to do is to set up your payment method. Here on the payment method screen, you will be able to choose either a credit card, debit card, or bank account. We strongly suggest linking a bank account because it is 100% free. Using a credit card will cost you an additional 2.9% of your rent payment, including an additional 30-cent charge. Setting up your bank account is very simple. RentRedi uses Plaid to connect to almost any bank account by simply logging onto your online banking. So, let's get started. Click on Continue. Next, you will see a short list of banks. If your bank is not on this list, simply type your bank name in the search bar. For this example, we are going to use Chime. By clicking on Chime, it brings me to my Chime login screen. Enter your login information. Please keep in mind this works for any bank that is found on Plaid, so the process will be the same. After logging in, you will be brought to a Share Data with Plaid screen. This is just to verify that you grant permission for Plaid to link your account. Click on I agree to proceed. Next, select the account you want your rent payment to come out of. Then click Continue. After clicking on Continue, your bank account will be saved on your RentRedi account. You can skip the remaining 2 tasks by tapping on the X next to both boost your credit and get renters insurance tasks. Now to pay your rent, simply tap on Rent. Tap on the rent that is due or is upcoming. Next, click on the bank account you want to use to pay your rent. When the Pay button on the bottom of the screen turns green, click on it to submit your payment. If you would like to pay your rent automatically every month, you can simply tap the Set Up Autopay located in Rent. Next, choose what time of the month you want your rent to come out. Select the date that coincides with your payment date indicated on your lease agreement. Then click on Set Up Autopay. That's it. You are all set and ready to go. We will be sending push notification on the app. You can also view your notification by tapping on the bell button on the top right.